Fluid power affects the world on a daily basis in so many ways. Fluid power is used in mining, oil and gas, in the aerospace industry, even automotive. If there's an application requiring force and movement and control of that force and movement, sure enough, fluid power is there.
I think we just hit the tip of the iceberg on this. We've just touched it where it's going to go. It's going to get huge.
One thing I noticed was fluid power is everywhere. It's automotive, it's construction, it's the airplane industry. Fluid power is everywhere.
Fluid power affects our daily world in a variety of ways. It could be on a transport truck going down the road. It could be on ships with the rudders that moves them back and forth.
If you're doing some construction, making a tunnel for a subway, you need big machines to create those big holes. And what's creating those big holes is fluid power machinery.
When you really think about it, it's pretty much everything we touch has some kind of movement that involves fluid power.
I kind of came upon it by chance. I came here right out of school and I thought that sounded very exciting and I went for it. I had never worked in the field before, but I did find it to be a passion of mine. The fast-paced industry is very exciting.
It's a cool industry because it is that fast-paced environment and you're able to interact with so many different people on different levels, whether it be the business manager understanding which products we're going to launch that week, or if you're in the plant. It's fast-paced and it allows you to explore, and every day goes by so fast because you don't have that standard typical day.
What keeps me most excited and engaged about my job on a daily basis is the fact that fluid power is an evolving industry. Some of the future trends I see coming our way is the integration of big data into fluid power and using that big data to predict failures in the field before they happen.
Fluid power is not going anywhere. You see it in your cars, in the automotive industry, in your planes, in the infrastructure. It goes into building the bridges, roads, construction. So it's everywhere.
There's a lot of applications that have our products in them. It goes from race cars to airplanes, roller coasters. Every day is different. There's some fun days there where you get to go and enjoy some pretty cool applications.
Make sure that you get your hands dirty, try out new things, try out what you like, because you just never know what you're interested in until you try it.
And the possibilities being in the fluid power field are just endless. And it's going to keep getting bigger in the medical field and the industrial. And if you really want to get into it and jump into it, because it's well worth it. You won't regret it.
If you get fascinated by how things work and you want to make a difference in this world, this is the place for you. Think about the planes of today, the aircrafts of tomorrow. They all need very sophisticated hydraulics. Being able to know this is basically how you're impacting the future.
If you are interested in the fluid power industry, I would say go for it. There are so many different areas where you could take your career, whether that's aerospace, oil and gas, mining. You have the opportunity to develop safe products that allow people to work safely and work smarter. So if fluid power has got your interest, please go for it.